Hey there, young coders. Welcome back to our HTML tutorial series. Today, we have a super fun lesson planned for you. We will be exploring the wonderful world of paragraphs. Are you ready?
Yes, I am very excited to know.
So, let's get started. First things first, let's understand what a paragraph is. In simple terms, a paragraph is a way to organize and present text on a web page. It's like putting sentences together to form a story or content. Hi everyone. I'm ready to embark on a coding adventure. Now, let's see how we can create a paragraph using HTML. Don't worry, it's super easy. We start by opening our HTML document and adding the basic structure. Within the body tag, we use the opening and closing paragraph tags. They are open angle bracket P and close angle bracket P, respectively. Everything we write between these tags will be treated as a paragraph. I want to tell about an exciting adventure. If we will type here, once upon a time, I discovered a hidden treasure in the enchanted forest. The text will be appears on the webpage. Once upon a time, I discovered a hidden treasure in the enchanted forest.
Wow, that sounds so cool.
We can add attributes to the paragraph tag to change the appearance. For example, let's add a color attribute.
I want to use blue color.
We will use the style attribute and set the color to blue. Now our paragraph will appear in a beautiful blue color. As you can see, text changes color to blue.
Wow, it's like magic. HTML does have its magical moments. I can't wait to join the coding fun.
Let's show everyone how we can create multiple paragraphs using HTML. We simply add another set of opening and closing paragraph tags, just like we did before. That is opening tag P and closing tag P. Fantastic! And to make it even more interesting, we can add another attribute, such as the font size. Using the style attribute, we will set the font size. This will make the text appear larger. Thank you all for joining us today. Stay curious, keep coding, and we will see you in the next episode. Happy coding! Like the video, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.